Meaning of DipHE.
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 DipHE. DipHE stands for Diploma of Higher Education. It is an undergraduate-level qualification that is awarded after completing 2 years of full-time study, or the part-time equivalent, at a college or university. The DipHE is typically a standalone qualification and may also serve as an exit point for students who do not wish to continue with a full bachelor's degree. The diploma is widely recognized in many countries and can be used to further career prospects or as a stepping stone to a higher degree. Overall, the DipHE is a valuable qualification for those seeking to further their education or career aspirations.